Hello and welcome. My name is Melissa. I'm the owner and artist at the Top Drawer RVA located in Richmond, Virginia. Today, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step process on how to transform an old broken vanity and make it beautiful using Woodubend moldings. Today, I'm going to show you how you can repair a vanity and prepare it for paint. This vanity has some severe issues. Let's talk about proper prep. Since this vanity was missing a mirror, I added underlayment wood to the back along with salvaged scrap from an east leg dresser. Cut the wood to size, glue it and screw it into the back. For this part of the project, you need to keep applying your wood filler and sanding back as necessary until you rebuild the depth and width of the missing edge. Let's add some Woodubend molding and trim. Woodubends are heatable, decorative moldings. They arrive flat in the package. You can heat them to bend them and apply them around any surface. You use regular wood glue applied to the back of the product along with your heat gun and then apply it to your vanity or dresser. Once it's on there and dry, you heat it again to ensure that it's flat to the surface. Once it's flat to the surface, you're ready for paint. Using Woodubend trim rolls is a great way to cover any gaps or seams in the surface. I heat this up, unroll it, apply my wood glue to the back, and then stick it on the surface. You can use a knife to cut it exactly around the edges where you need it to be. After I cut this Woodubend trim roll to the exact size that I needed it to be to cover the gap in the surface, I used sanding paper to sand the edges to round and fit exactly around the vanity edges. Since Woodubend is a stainable, paintable molding, after you apply it to the surface, you won't even see where the gap was located. It's a great way to add any depth and dimension to your piece, cover any errors or spots that you need to fix, as well as paint right over top of it. You won't even see where it was. Now that you've learned everything you need to know about how to prep your piece for painting, let's begin our painting journey together. Let's get this vintage vanity ready for a new life. Part 2. How to paint your vanity. Using my flat medium brush, along with my spray bottle filled with water, I applied vintage duck egg to the entire base of this project. When I apply my paint with a brush, I keep my spray misting bottle filled with water close by. This allows me to minimize brush strokes and helps my paint go a little bit further. I will be using Antebellum Blue in the corners when I apply the vintage duck egg on the second coat. This will deepen the corners and age the piece. Keep separate brushes for each color. This allows you to blend the colors together. I also use my spray misting bottle to keep the paint damp and movable. Let's add some shine and depth to the piece. I'm going to use my Moonshine Metallics in Silver Bullet. I apply it into all of the details and then wipe it back. This leaves a beautiful raised detail and a beautiful shine on each edge. sure to follow me on all social media at the Top Drawer RVA. You can shop all of the products used today in this video in the information below. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for new videos. I'll see you next week. You can also follow me on all social media at the Top Drawer RVA. The RVA stands for Richmond, Virginia area.